Your nervous system can actually shift from high alert to calm in as little as 90 seconds, but only if you know where to guide your awareness and how to breathe. So in this practice, I'll guide both of them for you so you can calm your nervous system and settle your mind almost instantly. And I'll do this by combining somatic awareness with intentional breathing so your body can signal safety to your mind. So we'll tune into soft eye and neck movements, sighing exhalations, and subtle shifts of attention in the body. And this will help to release tension that can keep the mind in overdrive. The result is racing thoughts can slow down, mental clarity can emerge, and you can feel calmer and clearer without having to try to force yourself to stop thinking. If you want more exclusive somatic tools that I provide to help regulate your nervous system and calm your mind and your body very specifically, use the link in the description. It's a starter kit to reset your nervous system. And if you're new here or you haven't yet, please subscribe to help me grow the channel so I can have control over ads, so I can keep them out of the practices that I'm sharing here. Now begin to settle in and just notice where your mind may feel tense or scattered. And you can take this as an intention into the practice. I'm allowing my nervous system and my mind to calm and settle. All right, let's get into the practice. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a chair, on a cushion, or on the floor, and allow your spine to naturally be upright and your shoulders to rest down away from the ears. And you can rest your hands onto your thighs or your knees, however is comfortable for you. Now close your eyes or soften your gaze and bring your attention to your feet, feeling them connect to the floor, feeling the support beneath you, perhaps behind you. And take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. And again, you can breathe in gently and exhale it out with a sigh. Feel free to continue with this sighing exhale throughout this exercise as you feel it. And notice how your body feels right now. Bring your awareness to any areas of tension and allow yourself to arrive fully in this space. And let's set a gentle intention. I allow my nervous system and my mind to settle. Now bring your attention to your eyes. And without moving your head, slowly move your eyes to the left and slowly move your eyes to the right. Slowly bring them back to center and slowly move your eyes up and slowly move your eyes down. Now, if it helps you to hold your thumb out in front of you to follow your thumb with your vision, you can take that option. Now this time, slowly look up, keeping your head still, and keep looking up as you move your eyes to the right. And continue this big circle with your eyes, looking to the right as you move your eyes down. Continue this big circle following your vision up to the left, as far over as it will go, and continuing to look up to the left as you take your eyes all the way back up. And change direction of this circle, making it as big as you can. And if you miss a spot, you can return to it and retrace it, feeling this exercise of the muscles in your eyes. And once you complete the circle, let your eyes rest back to the center and feel into the sensations just from that movement. And once you're ready, you can let your eyes close or rest into a soft gaze once again. Now let your left ear fall toward your left shoulder. And let this movement be gentle, so small, comfortable movements only. And now you can bring your head back up to the center and let your right ear move toward your right shoulder. And you can bring your head back up to the center, and you can continue this motion of tilting your head side to side. You can roll your neck, so bringing the chin toward the chest, feeling into the back of your neck and rolling the head side to side. You can bring rotations of your head in to any of these motions, and using any movement that feel organic for you in this moment to feel into your neck, feel into your shoulders, perhaps up around your ears, and even down into your chest and your shoulders. And with each exhale, notice how your mind naturally slows down as your body feels lighter and more present with these very simple movements. And as you're ready, let your head rest back into the center. And with your eyes closed or in a soft gaze, bring your awareness to your torso and your shoulders. And notice areas that feel tight or tense. And there's no need to change anything. You're just noticing and observing. Now, let your awareness move into any place of tension in your body. And let your awareness rest into those sensations. Perhaps you feel tightness or a pull, some kind of blockage. And now let your awareness move into a part of your body that feels relaxed, spacious, or where your breath moves more freely. And let your awareness settle into those sensations. And once again, move your awareness back into a place of tension, anywhere in your body, letting your awareness rest into those sensations. And now bring your awareness back into an open, relaxed part of your body, resting your awareness into those sensations. And you can take a slow inhale and a long sighing exhale, letting your exhale message safety to your nervous system, feeling your mind settle with the body without any effort. Now imagine expanding your awareness beyond your body, feeling a sense of spaciousness open up without having to move anything physically. And if it feels comfortable, you can roll your shoulders slowly. You can soften through your chest or your rib cage. You can make small shifts in your torso to feel open and supported. And if you aren't already, take a couple last sighing exhales, feeling with each breath, especially on your exhales, how your nervous system can rest in structure, calm, and safety. Now you can rest your hands anywhere on your body, perhaps onto your heart or your belly, and return your attention to your breath and the sensations in your body. And notice how your mind feels now compared to the beginning of this short practice. Allow this calm, settled awareness to anchor your thoughts, feeling how you're present, you're supported, and you're steady. And now take one last breath in and a long breath out. And you can gently open your eyes, wiggle your fingers, your toes, and return to the space around you. And let yourself carry this calm into the rest of your day. Knowing even a few minutes of gentle awareness and breath like this can shift your nervous system and quiet racing thoughts. If you enjoyed this practice, use my free starter kit to reset your nervous system for other practices like this. I have that linked in the description. And subscribe to help me keep these practices ad-free. Thanks so much for taking this time to be with yourself, be with your breath, and for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next video.